guys, it's Hannah here with another video, and today we want to talk about a water filtration system, right? As you see behind me, there's a well here. This goes down about 20 feet down, and it has about 6 feet of water. And I want to talk about how the process goes. So first, it comes through here, right? It goes right from the well straight to here, and then it goes into a spin down filter, right? And then it will go into there is actually a motor, which I'll show you a picture. It's called Goulds. That's the brand of it. And it goes into the pressure tank called Flex-lite, right? This is the model number FL7, right? And then from there, it will go to the softener, right? There's two types of softeners. So you got the softener and the neutralizer. And this one is, the name of it, as you see over here, is called Clack. That's the brand, Clack. So again, softener, and this is the same brand as well, neutralizer. And as you see here, if we come to those, this one, if I open it up just to show you, as you can see, there's actually salt in here, and that is the neutralizer here. And shout out to K as well. They're the pump service that serviced this in October 2018. This water, in 2023, it's October 18, 2023, correction there. And they were able to service it, and we had clean water in here. Now, for more information, I'm going to have a link on my Facebook Market about this product that you could purchase, because it's brand new. It hasn't been used before. We want to utilize it because obviously we have in front of the house, we have public water right in front that we're going to get. So again, this is available for sale. So I will have that in the description down below. So all your information you could, and if you like, comment, subscribe, that would help us too. Thank you for watching.